Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn NCERT English Marigold poem Little by Little of 3rd CBSE class. So let's start to read and understand it. Even the biggest trees begin life as tiny seeds. Read about how the little acorn grew big. Little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. In this poem, there is one acorn. Acorn means it is one fruit of oak tree, and it tells us about its growing or its life. In this stanza, it's described how can acorn improves, grows means enhance itself for many years under the earth. In first picture you can see how that plant grows its roots downwards under the ground, or in another picture you can see how that acorn drinking dew water with the help of tree leaves. Now we will see next part of the poem. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest pride. This stanza, it tells its roots grows downwards. After some days, a tiny part or shoot of plant we can see above the ground. Shoot means young growing part of the plant. Thereafter, leaves appears on it. The branches of trees spread across everywhere. In all this process, acorn grows into a big oak tree. That big oak tree you can see in the picture. Have you understood, students? In this poem, an acorn symbolizes strength and strongness of small child who will be wise and intelligent person one day, just like oak tree. How acorn grows to be the forest pride as a oak tree. Same way, you want to grow yourself strongly, strengthly, and intelligently to be the great person. Now we will see new words of the poem. So let's start with first word, hidden. Hidden means kept out of sight. For example, there were hidden cameras in the room. Now second one, slowly. Slowly means at a slow speed. Then downwards. Downwards means towards a lower place. Then slender. Slender means very thin. It is opposite to fat. Now next one is mighty. Mighty means powerful. Then branches. Branches part of a tree. Then pride. Pride means to be, feel proud. Then improving. Improving means to become better. Then sip. Sip means to drink something in small quantity. Or last one is shoot. Shoot means to kill with bullet. But in this poem, shoot means small, younger, growing part of plants. Now we will see some questions and answers. In reading is fun. So let's start with first question. Name the tree that the acorn grows into. The answer is the acorn grows into an oak tree. The second one question. What things does a seed need to grow? The answer is a seed needs air, water and soil to grow. Then third one. How many describing words can you find in this poem? Student, you should try to find out these describing words from the poem. For example purpose, I am telling you some words here. Slowly, tiny and mighty. Now it's talk time with friends. Look at the two pictures. Find out things that are different about these trees and talk about them. In picture first, we can see how tree gives us many important things like oxygen, wood, many things. And in opposite picture second shows how we harm the tree in many ways. We cut the trees many times. I want to observe these pictures and write 5 lines about each picture. Now we will see next question. These words describe parts of a tree. Write them in the given space. Student, you just want to copy that words in the given space. Now you want to write this question in your notebook. Stem, bark, leaves, branch, twigs, root and shoot. See next question of exercise. Match the opposites. One has been done for you. Mighty, weak. This pair already has done here. Now we will start from first word, downwards. Downwards opposite is upward. Slowly, fast. Little, big. Slender, fat. Day, night. Students, I hope you have understood the poem and solutions of the poem. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.